Working from home is going to be the new norm in days to come. In these days of lockdown, are you teeming with ideas which you would like to share with students, co-workers, and the world at large? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a very simple way to share a PowerPoint presentation from a laptop or computer. This tutorial will be useful to teachers, businesses, doctors, and corporates. In this particular video, I will be using Microsoft 365, which is the latest name for Office 365. I will not be using any other software like open broadcast software to record this presentation, but will instead use the record facility available in PowerPoint itself. After it has been recorded, you can convert this to a video and export it to wherever you want. If you want to live stream a PowerPoint presentation, I will show you that on another video. I will be using my Surface Book laptop, which is a Windows laptop. It comes with a Surface Pen with which you can write on the screen, highlight something, and click to advance the slides. You can also write on a blank slate, but that will be the topic of another video. I will show you how the Surface Pen works for our present purpose. You can also use the mouse and keyboard to do the same. You can use any laptop to record with the latest Microsoft 365. I will be uploading more videos in the future. So in order to keep abreast, subscribe to my YouTube channel Madras Joint Replacement Center MJRC. Subscribe to my YouTube channel Madras Joint Replacement Center MJRC and hit the bell icon. Let's head to the computer. Here I have my laptop open. On the screen, I have opened a presentation on stem cells in orthopedic surgery. This screen is being captured by a software called Camtasia Studio trial version. There are other screen capturing software also available. You're welcome to use them. I will explain the steps to record a presentation, but will not actually record a presentation. Hopefully, after this lesson, you will be able to accomplish this on your own. You can see that my PowerPoint presentation is open, and in the left column, you can see all the slides arranged, and in the center, you will see the first slide from where I will begin. So, first click on the slideshow button. This is the slideshow button here. Slideshow button. Let's click on that. And then under this menu, you have to head over to the setup slideshow. Head over to the first option under this to set it up. In the setup option, choose the second option. Here we are. So it is by default presented by a speaker full screen. You want to choose the second option, that is browsed by an individual. Then you can close it. Then again head over to slideshow, and then we can start recording by pressing this. So this is the screen which you will be seeing when you press the record option. Let me explain the screen to you. Here at the top left, you have three buttons to record, stop, and replay. So in the actual presentation which you are going to record on your own, after seeing this, you have to press the record option. What it will do is all the slides which you want to show will be recorded and saved in PowerPoint. Just to stop the recording, press the stop button. In this place, to the right side, you have the settings for the camera and microphone in the actual PowerPoint. I'm not using it here because I'm only showing you the screen. And here at the bottom, you have the microphone and the video camera option here. Now, if you come to the left side in the middle, you have an up arrow to go to the previous slide, and then another forward arrow to go to the next slide. When you come to the bottom of the screen here,
you have these color buttons options. These are for the Surface Pen or the mouse. You can click on any of them, and then after this, when you click on them, you will have the pen icon or the highlighter icon highlighted. So with that highlighted, you can write on the screen, and then if you have written something and you don't like it, you can erase it now. So you can do this with your mouse or the keyboard. I'm going to advance my slides here by clicking the Surface Pen. This is the Surface Pen. It has got a tip with which I can write on the screen, and it has got an eraser which also works as the button to forward my slide. Just watch what happens when I do that. I'm going to press this button here at the back. The next slide advances. Once again, watch what happens. The next slide will come up. You see, the next slide will come up. Once again, the next slide will come up. Now, suppose I want to highlight something on the screen. Here is my pen. So I go to the screen. See, I am writing on the screen. Suppose I don't like that. What I do, I press the eraser and go and erase that. Pressing the button here will advance the slide. If you want to go back, you have the back arrow here. You can go back. This is the previous slide. So that's pretty easy, you see. So once you've shown all the slides and the recording has stopped, then what you need to do is to head over to the top right, and here is a X button. You have to press that. So when you do that, you see it comes back to the previous view, where all the slides are there to the left and the main slide which is being highlighted is in the right. So after you see this screen, after you finished recording, you want to save it and then export it as a video. So to do that, head over to the file, click File, so under this file, you see that the stem cell presentation which I did there, just presented, is there at the top. So what you need to do is to go to the file column here, and you see this export option here. Click on that export option. When you click on that export options, you have all these choices presented to export it. You can create an Adobe presentation, you can create an Adobe XPS document. Actually, you want to create a video. So let's press on that. Here you see, here you are presented with the video option. So the first one is which type of video you want to record it as. So the first which is presented here is full HD. I will choose that, and after having chosen that, we'll click this button to record a video. So this video will be recorded and you will see it on the screen over here below. So it's asking you to show where you want to save it. So you just save it on the desktop. Click yes. And you can see here it is recording the video. It's creating a video, stem cells and all that. When this empty bar is full to the end, it means the video will be recorded. So that's it, friends. Actually, So let's close this PowerPoint presentation.
I hope this video was useful. If you like this video, hit the like button. Smash the bell icon to subscribe for more videos. Cheers. I will see you in the next video.